My name's David. I'm from the Grand Rapids office. My favorite things about the program is it starts off pretty basic. So if you don't have much background in the commercial side or even as much mechanical side, you're going to learn through all of it, and that's pretty key.
My name is Alex. I'm from Dallas, Texas. I learned about Trane. I went online and I seen that they were hiring for apprentice. They didn't need that much experience. I decided to apply, and you can't go better than Trane. There's nothing stops the Trane.
That's awesome. So Cody, how about you? What do you like the most about the program?
I'm glad for the gate review process and all of that, the chance for merit increase and stuff like that, just to recognize the new skills you're learning. You don't have to wait 4 years to let that start helping you in your paycheck, and you get a good foundation.
My favorite part of the job is the on-the-job training. I get to work with veteran techs that got 20 years plus experience. Just calling them after hours or calling them when I have any problem, and they will walk me through it over the phone and get the problem solved.
So where do you see yourself going in the next 3 to 5 years here with Trane?
So my dad's been in the industry for like 30 plus years. Seeing what he was working on after 20 years, and I'm starting to work on it within 2 years. So I was kind of at the right place with the right people, doing the right stuff.
You know, I want to have that knowledge base and just be a solid tech. I'm not really meant for a desk job, so being out in the field is where I want to be, but right now I'm ready to go.
And you're kind of thankful that Trane is all about safety. I'm glad so I can go home, see my family at night, stay safe. Nobody wants to get hurt.
So in 10 years, when you're talking to an apprentice, what will you tell that apprentice about their first day and their first year of Trane? What do you want to make sure they understand?
Yeah, I think the biggest thing is be a sponge. There's guys that have been at my office for 45 years, and there's guys that have been here, you know, just starting off still. Everybody's gonna know something different.
We've got all kinds of resources. You can find anything you want to, just about. If not, you can call somebody that's been there. The resource here is outstanding.
I think it's more than just the program itself. I think it's Trane as a company. If you don't know much about mechanical stuff, you're gonna learn it.
There is plenty of opportunity for growth. If you are a self-starter and you like to pursue things on your own volition, this is the place to be.